Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering everything and gathering credentials. Unplug the extender and router for 15 seconds, then plug the router back in first. Wait until its lights are stable. Once done, plug the extender back in and watch its LEDs. A steady power light means it's ready to pair. Make sure your phone or laptop is on the main Wi-Fi or connected via Ethernet to the router. This timing prevents conflicts and forces a clean handshake during the next step. Now you lock in the connection using WPS or the web interface. If your router and extender support WPS, press the router's WPS button, then the extenders within 2 minutes. Wait for a confirmation LED. If not, connect to the extender's temporary SSID, open the setup page at the printed IP, and follow the wizard. Choose to clone the router SSID or create a distinct name for clear roaming. Apply settings and finish by optimizing placement and validating performance. Place the extender roughly halfway between the router and the area with poor signal, then test using speed and ping checks. Aim for at least 50% of the router's speed. If speeds are low, shift the extender a few feet closer to the router or away from interference sources like microwaves and cordless phones. If connections fail, perform a factory reset, update extender firmware, and redo setup. This clears persistent config errors and often resolves stubborn faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.